Hello, students. A very sweet good morning to all of you. Here, I am your class teacher, Mrs. Baby Kumari, coming with a next lecture in same series of course. Before starting of this lecture, I would like to draw your attention toward coronavirus pandemic global crisis situation. I know all of you are keeping the social distancing and washing your hands properly. Therefore, my request to all students, please follow the government guidelines to fight against coronavirus. Thus, now I am going to start this lecture. Your today's topic is before, between letters and match the following. So, let's start it. Write before the letters. B. What comes before B? A. A comes before B. What comes before G? F comes before G. What comes before L? What comes before L? K comes before L. What comes before F? E comes before F. What comes before J? I comes before J. What comes before R? Q comes before R. Next, write between letters. C, E. What comes between C and E? What comes between C and E? D comes between C and E. What comes between F and H? What comes between F and H? G comes between F and H. What comes between Q and S? What comes between Q and S? R comes between Q and S. What comes between O and Q? What comes between O and Q? P comes between O and Q. Next, match the following. A, B, D, G, R, T, D, A, D, R, T, G. This is capital A. This is a small a. Match these letters. This is capital B. This is a small b. This is capital D. This is a small d. This is capital G. This is a small g. This is capital R. That is capital R, a small r. This is capital T. That is a small t. Thank you.